We have Meta, Microsoft, and Google reporting earnings after the market closes today, and here is exactly what you need to know before they report. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Techman Solutions. I just want to make sure that you fully understand what the market is expecting for these three tech giants to report. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, some of the first three big and some trillion-dollar market cap valuations that are going to be reporting earnings. Not the only three. We still got Starbucks, Chipotle, and a handful of others that some of you might be invested in. I just think it's important for you to be aware of what's expected before it reports. Meta, as an example. Meta today will be reporting after the market closes. A quick little heads up. I do plan to go live for these earning reports. All I ask you to do is I want to make sure enough people show up. So again, get this video to over 500 likes and I'll host the live stream before the market closes so we can watch it together as Meta, Microsoft, and Google report earnings. Also, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, excuse me, earnings per share for Meta is $6.68. So again, if it comes in lower than what is expected, market can react in a negative way. If it comes in above, market can react in a positive way. Revenue is expected to be $49.36 billion. They have an amazing track record and exceeding expectation. So again, there's high expectation for Meta especially. I asked Warren AI, which is Investing Pro's feature, a very simple question. What should I know before Meta reports earnings? A lot of people like to focus on the good. I like to focus on the what could go wrong. Too much good news priced in. Even a small guidance cut could prompt a sharp reaction. AI spend versus return. If investors see pushback in AI investments, don't show tangible payoffs. And then macro jitters. Any hint of ad market slowing down or regulatory overhang could spook the street, meaning again, shake up investors, especially at these elevated levels. So again, different time frames give you different perspectives. If you look at Meta on the day time frame, it's kind of been struggling to make new highs since kind of the start of August of 2025. You could see that it's almost been making these lower highs and lower lows. Not that it's going to sell off, but again, is it losing its momentum? We'll learn more about this today once the market reacts. The next one is going to be Microsoft. Microsoft has made nearly new all-time highs, has hit highs of $552 per share, and currently trades at a market cap of a total of $4 trillion. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Microsoft earning expectation is $3.66, and revenue is expected to be $75.32 billion. The next one is Google. Mother company is Alphabet. EPS is $2.29, and expected revenue for the quarter is $99.79 billion. Google prints money, and that's something that a lot of people forget. People are like, oh, ChatGPT is going to get rid of Google. I don't think you understand. If Google wants to be ChatGPT, there's no one more capable in becoming ChatGPT if they actually wanted to. So again, Google is trading at all-time highs. Will they exceed market's expectation? Make sure, again, if you have Investing Pro and this is a company that you're thinking about investing in and or you are invested in, feel free to ask it that question. Feel free to ask, what should I know before it reports earnings? As in, don't just sell yourself the dream of why could it go up, but ask yourself, why could it possibly go down? What are some concerns? When looking at Pro Research and its increased revenue quarter after quarter, again, not only is Alphabet a well-established company, it is a company with a ton of money in its balance sheet. And again, this is also all part of Investing Pro. If you guys want to check it out, it's the first link in the description down below. It's a software that I use daily. Its PE ratio is not even that high in comparison to its competitors, 27 times its earnings. It's a company with a net income of $115 billion a year. Revenue 371. This company's revenue is more than what your inflated AI company is valued at based off of market cap. This company makes more in net income than all of those companies combined. All of these pre-rev and companies that are losing money, nothing and none of them compared to Google. The question is, will it continue its growth and its guidance? That is the big focus right now as markets sit at all-time highs. The other thing that I want to make sure that you guys are aware is today Today, the market is set to react to the FOMC rate decision. This will be in the next few hours. According to the Fed Rate Monitor tool, there is an expectation, a 98% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to be cutting interest rates by 25 basis points. We will see what gets reported and then how the market reacts. And then on top of that, 30 minutes after, there is an FOMC press conference. This is where Jerome Powell goes live and he answers, analyst questions. This is where the market can get a second win. It can rally or sell off based off of what they interpret Jerome Powell's sentiment is based off of how he's answering those questions. It's a very, very crucial time to be paying attention to the market, not a crucial time to be trading the market. Two very different things. With great volatility comes great responsibility. I know that I have every intention of staying cash with my trades leading up to the FOMC rate decision and leading up to the big tech earnings today. I'm very excited to experience with you guys today. And again, I do plan to live stream the FOMC rate decision as well, 10 to 15 minutes before it actually gets released. So again, just another reason to subscribe. I wanted to do my part in keeping you guys up to date. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Do not forget, you need to turn on your post notifications so YouTube notifies you when it is that I go live. If you want to tune on in to the FOMC rate decision live stream and also Meta, Microsoft, and Google earning report live stream. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team, and happy Wednesday.